Onto our sales feature of the week, Craig, and this is permissions in Sales Hub. And so if you haven't realized, permissions have been getting very granular inside HubSpot. The other day I was giving permissions to somebody on the team and they're like, I can't do this. And I'm like, hang on, it's ticked on. But it clearly shows that how granular it's becoming. And what we want to talk about this time is on the new prospecting workspace, right? You can view prospecting as another user. So you might actually want to have this turned on for sales managers so that they can see that for their team. So it was really interesting. I had a conversation with somebody yesterday and they were asking, how do I see other people on my team? So if you make sure you have a permission set, if you are able to, where you can actually view this as another user and just have that on that permission set.